Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Playa Mujeres Beach Resort. And this is a unique category here. There's not that many of them, but they do have two doubles. That's something that you can book as a specific category, but it does have a maximum occupancy of 3 passengers. So follow along as we come on through. Right over here to the right, you've got this great pass-through. I love that they have that there so you can have your room service delivered. You don't have to worry about getting up and answering the door. It's just put right in there and then you grab it when you're ready. Perfect for that morning coffee as well. Right here, you've got an espresso maker. They have complimentary Nespresso pods here. They're replenished throughout your stay, and you can ask for them if you'd like as well, especially the decaf if you want a couple extra of those. Right here, you've got the ice bucket, and then down here, you've got your mini fridge. It is fully stocked. You see you've got waters here, sodas, beers, and you can have that replenished as often as you like throughout, and then they've got some snacks as well. Continuing along, you've got some luggage storage here, a little storage underneath, and follow me into the bathroom. You've got your toilet right there to the left. I love that the door shuts completely. You can close that off. And right here, you have your shower. You've got a huge rainforest shower head, shower wand, and then a nice little step that you can put your foot up, or you can sit and soak if you like. Continuing on in, you've got a huge double vanity. I really appreciate that. You also have this great amenity kit. This is a preferred club room. So you're gonna have all the preferred amenities throughout the entire stay, including the lounge that you're gonna get when you check in. There's a bar there as well. It's a fantastic space and you do that private check-in. And this is one of the amenities in. So right here, you've got a huge package. You've got full-size bath amenities, and they have even little things like a mosquito repellent, sunscreen, things that you may have forgotten as well. But lots of little touches in here from the preferred club standpoint. You also have this incense. I love it. It's a signature of Secrets. You're going to have it there, and as soon as it lights up, you kind of get that immediate smell and that memory back of being there for the first time. Now over here, you've got a large jacuzzi soaking tub. I do like right there, this is louvered, so you can open it or close it, but you can keep it closed if you want that extra level of privacy. So over to my right here, you're gonna have most of the storage in the room. So as you open it up, you see you've got a little tray that goes out over next to the Nespresso maker. You've got your safe, perfect for a tablet or a small laptop. You've got drawers underneath, and then you got hanging space and a little storage up above as well. You have the complimentary robes that you get in every category, and there's also a hairdryer in the bathroom as well for you. You see you have ironing board and table as well if you want to use those during your stay. So now you can see the 2 double bed configuration here. There are some light switches over the side. You've got the nice little reading lamp there as well, and both of them have this great overhead canopy. Now, one of the signatures here is they have this rug. I love that when you step off, you step right onto that instead of onto the floor, and then they also have the slippers over there ready for you, as they do with turn-down service every single evening. One unique feature over here is this is where the do not disturb and the makeup room sign is right there. I like it having it next to the bed because you forget, it's perfect to do that before you go to sleep in the evening. But you have to remember if you're heading out the door, it's back over here. There is one USB charger, and then you do have this little docking station here with the alarm clock. But I would highly recommend bringing maybe an extra battery backup so that you can keep it on the side of the bed, maybe charge it during the day, and then you can utilize that in the evening because there's not a lot of plugs by the bed. Now over here, you're gonna have your writing desk. You've got the extra phone, that one is cordless. You've got a lamp and then some plugs underneath. I did want to point out this great tablet. So they have this in all the rooms here, and it's essentially replaced the program. You can check and see what's happening at different times. The schedule, of course, you can see some of the dining menus if you want to check out what's for dinner. Access the spa, also the tours. But one of my favorite things is you can order room service directly from here. You don't have to get up and have that interpersonal reaction. Sometimes you just want to chill and relax and just have the 2 of you or 3 of you in this case, because this room can hold up to 3. But this is a perfect place where you can order the room service. They're going to deliver it there, and you even have a button on here to press and let them know that you're done, and they can come pick it up from the entryway there. So you continue on in. Over here, you've got a chaise lounge, a nice place to sit and relax, a little side table there. You've got your temperature control up here on the wall, and then on the other side, you have a small table. You can use it for dining. You've got 2 chairs, but perfect for a cup of coffee or maybe to eat that room service. Now over here, I did want to point out that they have a dimmer so you can turn up and down, and there's also a fan. I love that. I love having that air moving throughout the night. All right, so now I'm headed out to the patio area. I love that they do have a screen here. You've got the fan just inside so you can have that air moving through. You've got 2 chairs there and a table. But what this is all about is a little bit of private space, and right here you've got this swim up plunge pool. You got the stairs that walk right down into the pool there. You can cool off in the morning, in the evening, or just about any time here in Cancun. That's what vacation is all about. But if certain people absolutely love these categories, some like to be up higher and have more of the top views. But this is a really, really fantastic swim up option. Now, I also wanted to mention that because this is Preferred Club, you're also going to get access to the palapas and the day beds down on the pool. You're also going to have that extra access at the spa with the hydrotherapy and priority access there as well. But throughout the entire experience, having that Preferred Club really does make a huge difference to your overall experience. So when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room at Secrets, Dreams, or any of the AM resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We have an incredible relationship with them. We know the properties and the suites inside and out, and we can help you create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends and family at an incredible value.